Believe it or not, Tilta is entering the camera battery business. They have them all: Canon, Panasonic, Fuji, Sony, everything you can think of, and a neat little charging case.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Welcome guys, here from NB 2025. I'm here at the Tilta booth with Nick. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
Doing well indeed. So you guys actually, you do tripods now, you do a wireless focus system, you do a lot of rigging stuff, you do suction mounts, you do everything, and now also batteries are on the list, so camera batteries, right?
Yeah. So this is a whole new kind of category for us, but it is one we are quickly expanding into, and we are starting with kind of smaller, camera body batteries.
So what's special about them? Because I see a little bit of a case that I haven't seen before.
Yeah, so this case is probably one of the kind of most flashy selling points of the system. You can buy this separately. It works with first-party batteries, but if you are using our batteries, you can get a 4-pack kit that is going to hold 4. In this case, what do we have here? Some.
So which type of batteries are we talking about? Which batteries do you make?
So currently available, we have the NP-F100s, or the NP-FZ100s for Sony FX3 and a lot of the Sony camera bodies, but we're making some for Panasonic, Nikon, Canon, Fuji, essentially a lot of the smaller bodies with a lot more cameras to come. But the main idea behind the case is that we are putting in 4 batteries. We're connecting the case with USB-C, so there's not a built-in battery with the case, but it is a convenient way to store and charge 4 batteries simultaneously. It will not charge one at a time. It'll charge all 4 at the same time, and it can do it in just under 3 hours, which is pretty impressive for a...
If it's full with 4 batteries.
Yeah, that is correct.
That's cool. And the batteries themselves, we've seen third-party batteries out there. There's sometimes a concern by people that some third-party batteries are not always working with all the cameras. Sometimes the camera might say, well, this is not an original battery, I'm going to shut down now, whatever. So is this something that people need to worry about?
No, this is as close to a first-party battery as I think you can get from a third party. So we do have the electronic communication chip that is going to allow the cameras to register this, know what the battery is, send correct voltage information, and most importantly, not use that pop-up menu to tell you that you're not using an approved battery. And very similar specs, and kind of, what you would expect from first-party, but at third-party prices.
Okay, so what are those prices, and how do they compare to a typical first-party battery?
So the case we sell for $30. The battery prices do vary. I don't know the exact numbers off the top of my head, but you can check out the the Sony batteries online and kind of imagine what the different option will be. But all in a pretty reasonable price, and again, less expensive than the first-party equivalents.
Cool. And you are selling kits, you said, and batteries and case individually as well?
Yeah. So if you want to purchase a single battery, that is an option. These do have USB-C inputs on all of them. So if you just need to charge them individually, it's harder to, travel lighter than just with loose batteries and a USB. But if you are, traveling with multiple batteries like a lot of people are, having a single case to store and charge with is pretty convenient. So you can buy just the case on itself if you want to use your first-party batteries, or an option with the case as well as 4 batteries.
Right now, none of the batteries have any kind of USB-C out though, right? You can, yeah.
No, not at the moment, but...
Awesome. Availability?
So the Sony ones are currently available. The rest of them are soon to follow. They may be available by the time you're watching this, but most likely a couple weeks, as we kind of slowly roll out and receive new inventory.
Awesome. Thank you, Nick.
Thanks.
And thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned to CineD for lots more videos from NB 2025, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks.